Today, we're adding a magical and aesthetic dreamy butterfly glow effect to your video. If you want your edit to look soft, dreamy, and filled with glowing butterflies drifting across the scene, this effect is perfect. Let's get straight into the steps. First, import your video into CapCut and tap on the clip to select it. Now, tap Effects from the bottom toolbar. Next, choose Video Effects. And remember, in CapCut Mobile, video effects are applied directly onto your clip. From the categories, open the Decor tab, scroll until you find the butterfly dream effect, then tap to apply it. Immediately, you'll see glowing butterflies floating across your footage, giving your video a soft fairy tale like aesthetic. To customize the effect, tap on it again. You'll see two sliders. Speed slider controls how fast the butterflies move. Slide right for quick drifting butterflies, or left for slow, gentle movement. Atmosphere slider adjusts the glow and visibility of the butterflies. Increasing it makes them brighter and more magical. Decreasing it gives a soft, subtle, dreamy glow. You can also adjust the effect duration on the timeline to choose how long the butterflies appear in your video. And that's it. You've added a beautiful, dreamy butterfly glow effect in CapCut Mobile, perfect for fairy tale edits, romantic scenes, aesthetic reels, and magical storytelling videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut mobile editing tips.